Bones contain full of information about people's life, such as where they came from, their age at death, and which diseases they suffer from. Researchers can deduce a lot from them about a person's life and about a human evolution. This can help solve present-day problems such as how to treat disease, what constitutes a healthy lifestyle, and to establish cause in murder investigation. But how scientists can gain information from the bones? Is it possible for them to speak? A group of special subfield forensic anthropologists assert that yes, they can. Forensic anthropologists know how to investigate human remains. They analyze human skeletons and the items discovered alongside them in order to learn more about people, how they lived in the past, and stories that will otherwise remain untold. Forensic anthropologists are commonly portrayed in the media as forensic scientists or crime scene technicians. Unfortunately, this is not accurate. Generally, forensic anthropologists do not collect trace evidence like hair, weapon, fingerprints, or run any DNA tests. So, what a forensic anthropologist does do to aid in solving criminal cases? For example, they will assist law enforcement with the location and recovery of human remains at crime scenes, analyze skeletal remains to establish the biological profile of the individual, interpret trauma evidence on the bones to establish the type and extent of injuries. However, how can we understand the language of bones? Firstly, sex estimation. Females have broader pelvis that allow baby to pass through the pelvic inlet to make childbirth easier. But this is impossible for the male. Next, mastoid process. It is the bony spurs where the jaw muscle attached to the skull. Men have bigger jaw muscles, so they have bigger spurs than women. There are other clues too, such as the shape of the eye socket, brow ridges, and the curved back of the skull. Stature estimation. In stature estimation only gives average height, not absolute height. Some stature estimation techniques rely on cadaver length samples rather than living stature. The estimation of living stature may be inaccurate depending on how cadaver was measured and adjustments in the techniques used to approximate living stature. Age estimation. Babies have around 300 bones. As it grows older, they will only have 206. This happens at specific time in our life as certain bones will fuse together. So, the forensic will look at places where the skeleton's bones have fused to get an age. Besides that, we can determine the age of sub-adults by observing the development of their teeth, from before birth until the mid-20s. Nowadays, dental wear is frequently employed in adult populations, in which the development has ceased. Individuals' age can be calculated based on comparison between the wear ratios of different teeth within a group. Based on food and the usage of teeth as tools, this is highly specific to civilization and places. However, the combination of soft food variety, and current dental treatments result in very varied dental wear. It is therefore not precise to provide a specific range for the age at death of modern people. Ancestry estimation. Forensic anthropologists determine the ancestry of a skeleton by examining the morphology or shape of the skull by taking measurements, then comparing this result with data from population worldwide. With this, scientists can evaluate their individual's relationship to a work group. Some killers believe they can get away with murder by hiding a body may seem like the best plan. But even when many years have passed and only bones remain, forensic anthropologists still can find the truth and uncover grave secrets because they are the talking bones.